And this one almost knows that it's being filmed and hopped around perfectly as VM zoomed in on it. We can often find these birds perched on dead trees or branches, and this is so that they've got a clear, unobstructed view of the ground below them, and it's typically there where they fly down and hunt their prey on the ground. But these vantage points provide a great platform from which to hunt. So these are some messages coming through on the Game Drive channel that I'd like to get an update on. Sorry guys, I've had my radio down. Could I have an update on that sighting, please? Okay, copy, great. Thanks very much. Mark, can you copy me? Okay, ask him if he's copied the updates of the sighting at Buffalo's Hook Dam. Okay, copy. Well, there's a Madonna Ingwe there with a Inyala kill, so there's quite a few vehicles on standby there, but I think Mark's closer to me. He can try and start making his way there. Male Leopard. Copy, thanks, Nikki. Apologies, everyone, but some exciting news there, and as I'm sure you've all heard, there is a male leopard with a kill at Buffalo's Hook Dam. And Mark will be making his way there. There are quite a few vehicles that have come from far and wide to view that, so there may be small delay in it getting into that sighting because there is a limit to vehicles getting into the sighting. I believe it's in quite a tricky area, so it may take some time, but good prospects for a little bit later on this morning. And in the meantime, we shall carry on.